Hello, and welcome to this YouTube video. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money with Amazon. Thousands of people make money from Amazon every day, and with some of the right strategies, you can do it too. Whether you're trying to pad out your income or become a full-fledged entrepreneur, we'll show you the ways to make money on Amazon. We'll tell you how to set up an account and get started, what strategies you can use, and how to optimize your earnings. So let's get started. The first step to making money with Amazon is to sign up for an Amazon Associates account. This is Amazon's program for referring your followers and friends to products, and it pays commissions for each successful sale you make. Setting up an account is free and easy to do, and you can customize your links so you can make more money. Once you have your account set up, there are several ways to start earning. The most common way is to find items on Amazon that you think your followers would like, promote them on social media, your blog, or other platforms. You'll get a commission when someone makes a successful purchase. Another popular way to make money on Amazon is to create a product review website. Here, you review products, services, apps, and more, with commissions paid for each successful sale. You can also earn money through referrals, pay-per-click advertising, and selling your own products. Finally, to get the most from your Amazon account, make sure to optimize your earnings. Track your links to see what's working and what isn't, take advantage of promotional opportunities, and find new ways to promote products. There are lots of ways to maximize your earnings, so do your research and find the ones that work for you. So that's it. You now know how to start making money with Amazon. Whether you want to make a side income or start a business of your own, Amazon can be a great way to start earning money. So sign up for an account, start creating your links, and start cashing in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.